Fred is the perfect on-demand coffee grinder for elite coffee machines. It ensures precise grinding and ease of use, all in a compact size. Let's see how to obtain high-performance results with Fred. Entirely made of stainless steel, Fred gives you full control on the grinding time and degree. This is possible thanks to the side knob that allows a stepless grinding adjustment. Let's dive in and see how to grind coffee. To adjust the grinding degree, simply rotate the knob while the grinding is running. This is to avoid the burns to get ruined. We suggest to always make a first test dose in order to eliminate the residues of the previous grindings and to obtain impeccable results each time. Now it's time to start grinding. Simply press on the grinding button with the filter holder. Once you get the quantity of coffee you like, simply release the button. It's possible to set the dose grinding time from 2 to 20 seconds. Simply press the dedicated side button, and when the flashing light turns off, Fred enters the setting mode. To increase the grinding time, press the button as many times as the half a second you want to increase. When the desired grinding time is set, wait for 5 seconds. After that, the flashing light will indicate the set time. 1 flash equals 1 second, and 2 quick flashes equal half a second. Enter the setting mode again. To lower the grinding time, press and hold the side button, and after 2 seconds, the time count will start decreasing. Each time the indicator flashes, the grinding time decreases of half a second. When the desired grinding time is set, wait for 5 seconds. After that, the flashing light will indicate the set time. 1 flash equals 1 second, and 2 quick flashes equal half a second. Once you've programmed the dose, simply keep pressing and it will stop automatically. When you're done using Fred, switch it off from the on-off switch. Get ready to enhance your coffee experience with Fred.